Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today guys, one thing we forgot to do is spin the wheel today. When I woke up, I forgot. I didn't even notice that I forgot to spin the wheel. Yeah, from my dad. What is this girl talking about? I just saw a girl with the prettiest dress in the world. Where did you get that dress? But guys, it's not in the catalog of dresses. It shows up on the main page of the shopping. Okay, guys. I hope I get something good. Maybe 2,000 diamonds. I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna get. I really hope I get something good. Fingers crossed. 150 diamonds? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I only got 150 diamonds from the wheel today. Guys, this is so sad. It makes me cry. Oh, where did you guys go? Oh my god. Sorry guys. Today is a great day to make a winter wish in Earth. The snow continues to fall magically, and there seems to be light glow. And seems to be a light glow by the fountain. Okay. You follow the mysterious glow and start to hear weird glowing noises. So this obviously is never the right story. Nobody does. This isn't the right story. Okay, so let's get to here. Let's go here. And sorry guys, I have the hiccups. Wait, that's what it looks like? Okay, guys. Hey, I just started sliding on my face. Let's keep going. I love mustard. I'm not bragging, guys. I'm actually loving this, like, kind of, there's pastel colors and then there's, like, actual rainbow colors. So it's, like, really cool. Comment down below if you have this outfit. If you have the things I'm using right now, comment down below. Because this is literally all I have. For the gloss words. I do have gloss. But still. I don't really want to wear those because they cover up my pajamas. Oh, are you kidding me? Why is this so hard to get out of? So I'm out. Ah, I'm gonna fall. Get out of my car! You understand me, kids? Get out of my car. Please. Get out of my car. Son, please get out of the car. No. You can't. What? No. Hey! I'm in my mom's car. Broom, broom. I'm in my mom's car. Broom, broom. No. Your drink in your car. Okay. You're sad? What for? Mad at you. Really? No, I'm not. Mom, how do you always look mad? You don't always look mad. What? What? I'm not listening what I can't hear you. I'm saying like, how what? Chicken tonight. You look just disrespectful. Save it till no, seriously. Can you make some? Sorry guys about this. How the flip do you get these diamonds, bro? Oh, and now I'm too broke to get this diamond. Are you kidding me? I just want the diamond. Okay, please. No. I just want the diamond. Can you please give me the diamond? Please, finally. I get my 5 diamonds, bro. Okay, thank you. Now I'm satisfied, and now I'm gonna leave the castle because I only wanted the diamonds, because that's all I'm trying to get right now is diamonds. But yay, I at least have a lot of diamonds. Am I right? At least I got some diamonds. Yeah. See? The kids to the yes, I want to go to her. Cause I am my name's Bertie. Now, if you did not know, I should have told you guys my little sassy. Will you put on my dress? You know. In fact, okay, I hope you guys better subscribe, leave a comment, hit the notification button. You better all hit the thumbs up and subscribe, because let me tell you something. I want to show you something that happened. So look right here. They're worth 10 diamonds. It's the same thing as getting the red ones that are 20 diamonds. You basically just got a whole red diamond, except two of them but green, and they're only worth both 10 each. But that is a little fact, and here is the place I came. Keep replaying the video until you kind of understand where I am, and then, yeah. So guys, I just wanted to help you. Now this video better get a lot of, subscribers, because I'm helping you guys. Oh, and guys, you know how everybody thinks you need to spend 80 Robux to get the flying game pass to, like, sit on top of buildings? Well, no! No! Not today! Okay, you ain't needing to go buy 80 Robux and, spend like $80 on just Robux. So, let me show you a hack for that. So you want to get on top of the buildings, right? So if you want to get on top of these buildings, you can literally, it's that simple. Like, replay the video a couple of times, you'll get it, and then there's diamonds up here. Now, you'll only get 3 diamonds because of these 3 diamonds, and they're only all worth 1, so you'll get exactly, like, it depends on which ones you pick up. It's in the area. It depends. But you can, like, take really cool screenshots, like, and pretend you have the flying game pass, and take, like, these really cool pictures. But I would say this is a legit fact about this game. Now you can keep trying to go up until you can, like, try to cross from, like, part of. So let me show you what I want to try to do to get over to one of the buildings that I do not know how to get over to. So if I go back all the way over back where we just came from and do the exact same thing, let me tell you what's gonna happen. So I'm going to try to. Okay, I was just stuck on something. I don't know what, but apparently I got stuck on something somehow. But anyway, so let's keep going. So it's right there. Oh, this girl is following us. I know this will help her out with this fact. Let's see if she figures it out. She's just falling down. What a dum-dum. No offense to you, but that's kind of dumb. To be honest, you just, like, literally fall off. I mean, I just did the exact same thing, but that's just kind of goofy. Okay? No offense. Okay, if you're one of the people that's watching this video, no offense to you. Okay? By the way, guys, shout out to... Oh, never mind, guys. Shout out to Twin Toys for, commenting on one of my Beanie Boo videos. You guys are so sweet. Okay? And Barbie Blue Toys, seriously, thank you for subscribing. Like, I can't wait till, I get more subscribers, but guys, let's try to get this to at least 1,000, like, 1K. Like, not 1,000K, but like 1K, at least 1K. Please, guys, let's try to get the video to that many subscribers, because I just want to help you guys out a lot, and I just really love you guys, and I thank you guys a lot, even though I only have 4 subscribers. You guys are really sweet. Thank you for the 4 of you that subscribed, and I really just want to thank you because, I'm not a very big channel yet, and I'm glad you guys are there to kind of, like, help me by subscribing. When you have fun watching the videos and you laugh at them, it makes me feel like a duck. It makes me feel happy. It just makes me